Hey folks, Rick here. Okay, in order to be successful in today's market, as things start to heat up, and they are, you have to go back to that Rockstar schedule. Hopefully you never left it, which is time block. Time block your schedule. I have a certain amount of time to prospect. I have a certain amount of time for lead follow-up. I have a certain amount of time. You know, people say, well, that sounds a little boring. Not if you're following it because you're making money and if you want to have complete freedom in your personal life, you have to have discipline and structure at work. It's just part of the gig. And if you have that, now listen, you know, I've been doing this for 39 years. I've been coaching for over 27 years now. There's not a lot of new things implemented in real estate. I mean, technology-wise and social media, yes, but otherwise, the basics are the same. If you show up and do those basics and follow that schedule, and you follow a time-blocked schedule, and you're disciplined, discipline means doing it on the days you don't feel like it as well, okay, you will kill it in this business.